1. Maine Coon. Overview. The Maine Coon is one of the largest and most popular domestic cat breeds in the world. They are often called gentle giants because of their large size and friendly personality. Origin. Country: United States. Developed in Maine. Physical features. Weight: 5到11千克 11到25 lbs. Length: up to 100 centimeters, including tail. Fur: long and thick. Eyes: green, gold, or copper. Tail: very long and fluffy. Personality: friendly, intelligent, gentle, good with children and other pets. Lifespan: 12到15 years. Interesting fact: Maine Coons are excellent climbers, and many enjoy water. 2. Siamese cat. Overview. The Siamese is one of the oldest and most recognizable cat breeds. Origin. Country: Thailand. Physical features. weight: 10到6千克 Body: slim and elegant. Eyes: bright blue. Coat: short with dark points on ears, face, legs, and tail. Personality: very vocal. Social: loyal, highly intelligent. Lifespan: 12到20 years. Interesting fact: Siamese cats often follow their owners around like dogs. 3. Persian cat. Overview. Persian cats are known for their luxurious fur and calm personality. Origin. Ancient Persia. Modern Iran. Physical features. Weight: 10到6千克 Coat: very long and soft. Face: flat appearance. Eyes: large and round. Personality: quiet, relaxed, loving, indoor-oriented. Lifespan: 12到17 years. Care: requires frequent brushing and grooming. Interesting fact: Persians are among the most popular show cats. 4. Bengal cat. Overview. Bengal cats look like miniature wildcats, but are domestic. Origin. United States. Physical features. Weight: 4到7千克 Coat: spotted or marbled. Appearance: leopard-like. Personality: energetic, athletic, curious, playful. Lifespan: 12到16 years. Interesting fact: Bengals enjoy climbing, and many like playing with water. 5. Scottish Fold. Overview. Scottish Fold cats are famous for their folded ears. Origin. Scotland. Physical features. Weight: 2 到6千克 Coat: short or long. Ears: folded forward. Personality: sweet, calm, affectionate. Lifespan: 11到15 years. Interesting fact: many Scottish Folds sit in unusual upright positions. 6. Abyssinian cat. Overview. The Abyssinian is one of the oldest looking and most active cat breeds. Origin. Historical association with Africa and modern breed development elsewhere. Physical features. Weight: 10到5千克 Coat: short and silky. Body: lean and athletic. Personality: active, curious, intelligent, Loves exploring. Lifespan. 12到15 years. Interesting fact. Abyssinians rarely enjoy sitting still and love activity.